Hello, Miss Spain.
Hola.
Hola.
Hello, everybody. Hello, Cebu.
Buenas noches.
Buenas noches, Cebu. Buenas noches to you.
So much. All right, Miss Spain. Well, I believe it was you during the Greek pageant that was talking about the newly passed bill here in Cebu, the anti-discrimination bill. If not for everyone who is aware, Cebu has just recently passed the anti-discrimination bill. So I'd like to ask you, what is the next step for the LGBT community?
All right. I mean, one more thing. I'm just so proud to be here in this pageant of Queen in Cebu. Thank you for the opportunity to the people here in Cebu. Thank you for the warm acceptance. Muchas gracias. Okay, so what's next for the LGBT community? If Cebu can make it, why not the whole world? That is my next objective. If Cebu could have this ordinance called, equality in Cebu, why not in Manila? Why not in all the provinces? Why not in America? Or why not in Spain? Anything that we really want is basically equality. Equality in the workplace, equality in school, and equality in wherever we go, that we don't need to be checked from head to foot, scrutinized and checked. Because the most important thing, ladies and gentlemen, is acceptance. Because at the end of the day, like I said, a man, a woman, a transgender, a lesbian, we are all creations of one supreme being, which is God. Therefore, I am not a lesser human being, but in fact, I am an asset. Accept, love, and learn. For at the end of the day, we will all face our Creator, because I know we're all equal in the eyes of God. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Miss Spain. Power, please.